Bingo, she's out. Well, let's see what all we'll need here. Broken and rusted out exhaust manifolds. You can see that. Broken bolts there. Not much holding on either. Flange off the dipsticks broke off. Need that. Write those up. Well, that sounds like crap. Water pump. Felt pretty good. Check this out on the pulley I took off. Feels pretty good. No, getting rowdy. Balance on his face. Water pump. Intake gaskets, valve cover gaskets, and grommets. Okay, new water crossover tube. Yeah, find a way to hang the transmission and wait on an engine. Three foot or bigger. Three foot or bigger. Some cylinder head bolts here. Coming in handy. Hard to see how I did there. Oh, yeah, we're good. Solid. Get my stud at the 6 o'clock position and I'll line up the flywheel, do the same. Just need you to work the engine hoist for me.
Okay. You want up or down?
Well, first I'm gonna have you push it in as soon as I. Okay, push it in. All right, come down a little bit. All right, keep coming. All right, hang on. Take a tranny up a little bit. I guess that's all the way up.
Bye. You're almost pinned on the left side here.
Okay, it's my torque converter.
Okay. I'll push in after you get ready.
When you're going through here, watch these.
Yeah.
They're sharp as shit.
Let me tip her.
Now my ass end needs to go to the driver's side. Can you pull up on the Like the front of the engine needs to go this way. Pull up on the front. There you go. Some cold rock star. Hey! Shit's happening now. Alright. Can you tilt? Okay. Can you tilt a little more? There you go.
Okay.
Okay. Should stay.
Alright. We'll let the torque converter out. Then we can
This side started.
hopefully slip her down.
It's going in. It's going in. If you'll come down just a hair.
Well, we're on. The mounts are still.
Still to come back my way.
out.
I'm in.
You're in?
I'm in. Yep, I'm in. Sweet.
Nice.
That worked great.
Awesome.
Thank you. Get our lifting chain off here. Things that make you go, Ooh. Ooh. Well, inside of these coils are green. So those are going to have to be cleaned. That one doesn't, it's brand new. So go bead blast these. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. You might be able to see it in there a little bit. It's green. There's 3 of them are like that. I'll go bead blast them and then show you again. Okay, see. We can see inside that one. Nice and clean, just glass beaded it. Just glass beaded this one. Oh, there we go. Now we can install them. After I put the new boots on them with some dielectric grease. Dielectrics on this one. Spread it around. Squirt a little bit in here. Squeeze that so it gets all over. Put that one in there. If you're wondering, the dielectric helps keep the moisture out of the spark plug boot. There we go. Ready to install. This is the other set of coils here on the left bank. Wow, that one's really green. This will be a good one. This will be a really, really good one. We'll bead blast that and it'll look like new. That one's perfect. And that one's green too. 2 of them green, need to go clean up. I can show you these. We got pretty clean. Ready to install. Gasket's ripped up on that plug for that injector. See if we can straighten up. See if we can straighten it up. Put some spray silicone on it and ease her right in there. Ooh, I think I got it. Oh yeah. Now that's clean. Have no idle issues, at least through the throttle body. Well, if we ever have some ground problems, I mean, there's a ground right there, and like we just tried to ground to that, and like it wasn't grounded. Okay, get it up the jack stands. This is Danny, Delaware County Diesel Shop Talk, and that's a finish on another engine.
If you like that video, like, comment, subscribe, and follow along. If you're interested in parts, advice, or a job opportunity, hit us up and let us know. Join us next time.